As part of the development of football or soccer in the country, our leaders has over the years decided to put in measures which will help promote the game in the country. Please, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to our channel, I will invite you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you see a notification bell, click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our video. The president decided to start the building of multi-purpose sports centers in almost every district or municipality, which all of them are at different stages of completion. Aside that, almost every member of parliament is trying their best to put up a sports center in their constituency with the aim of harnessing talent both for the country and international market. Guys, today we bring to you an Astroturf park which has been built at Breman in the Swami constituency of the Ashanti region of Ghana. This project has been completed, but it is yet to be inaugurated, and per my checks, it is expected to be inaugurated this month, which is December. Ghana has been noted for producing good talents when it comes to football, which some have played in the top tier leagues in the world. As a football nation, we do not expect to see the youth who are the future of the game to be playing on dilapidated pitches, since that will not help improve their development. We thank you for always watching, commenting, liking and sharing our videos. We say Merry Christmas to everyone, and we pray and hope that you all stay safe for us as we celebrate this festive season. We hope to see you all in the year ahead. We will bring you quality and amazing content as we always do.